Alright, let's assume you have to change your serpentine belt on your Lexus ISF, and you've already installed the supercharger, and you didn't change the belt when you installed it, or you just need to change it as regular maintenance. It's not the end of the world. I just changed this one kind of so I could see what is actually involved in doing it, because it is a little bit trickier with everything installed, but not too bad. So what you'll need to do is loosen the mounting bolts for the supercharger plate. There's one here, 2, 3, and then 4 under the crank pulley. There's also a nut right here. Gotta pull that out. Loosen this bolt. Loosen these 2 bolts. And that is enough to sneak the belt out of that tiny crevice in between the plate and the pulley. So you're going to have to, the only way to get it out is, let me get a better angle here. You need to make that belt flat and flush against the supercharger bracket. And then in addition, you have to get that play in the bracket enough to sneak the belt out. So it's close. Looks like there might be room now. Well, there is now because the bolts are loosened. You can kind of see it wiggling just a tiny bit. That's all you needed to go to get it out and in. So you have to, like I said, make the belt flat and then parallel with the supercharger bracket, and then the belt will come out. And then in order to get the new belt in, you want to get that section in first. So again, you want to feed the belt through, so that way, and then you'll stick your hand, one of your hands, left hand, behind here, and you'll feel for the belt and grab it. And with your right hand, you'll grab the right side of the belt, and then you have to make it flat again, so parallel with the bracket. Once you have that and you've got the bracket moved a little bit, you can basically use your right and left hand to push that flat part of the belt straight down, and then let the belt come back normal direction again, and then get it around the pulley. So that's it. You might have to move some stuff, obviously, to get in there, the piping and whatnot, to access it. But you don't have to actually remove or take anything out of the car to change that belt.